very
So,
difficult one. I think the contributions of South of India cannot be just sidelined like that. And clearly, whether it was in Parliament, Amit Shah repeatedly spoke about Tamil Nadu specifically. The way Stalin has responded from Tamil Nadu, the battle lines are very clear because MK Stalin has not minced his words in the past as well. He has made it very clear. The election is not about Tamil Nadu alone. The election is about Delhi versus Tamil Nadu.
This Delhi versus Tamil Nadu is a version that Tamil Nadu is stitching. There is Delhi has never, or the in capital has never ignored the southern states, or this government has never, never has there been so much of an inclusive government than it is today. The kind of inclusive efforts that the Prime Minister has taken to feel the to make the southern states feel included has never been done before. So everybody knows that it's ingrained in the ethos of the country today. So
but Vinita, to put that in perspective, if you look at the seats in the assemblies, and this was not only about parliamentary representation, this was also about representation of women in assemblies, in state assemblies, in union territories. So it had a whole lot of ramifications. And now in Tamil Nadu, the way Stalin has pitched it, you may say that it's been an inclusive government. And that's, depending upon which spectrum one comes from, that's fine. One can have that opinion. But South is a bastion that the BJP-led NDA is still trying to maneuver its way around. Contrast to the North.
Yeah, so I mean, there is a resistance from the people of the South for whatever reason, for the the kind of they still kind of are left behind, very sadly so, in the nation building ethos. So there is a chance for them to be a part of the
That's a difficult one, Vinita Hariharan. That's a very difficult one. I think the contributions of South of India cannot be just sidelined like that. If you're saying they are left behind, I don't think that's something that's acceptable at all. Whether it comes to the Human Development Index, whether it comes to the contribution in workforce, whether it comes to education, employment, I don't think you can keep South of India aside. You may have your political debates, and everybody has the right to have a political debate, but to say South of India is left behind, I think is a way to taking it way too far.
North-South, who's taking it far? North-South divide is a narrative that is stitched by the DMK government. It's not stitched by the Modi government. There is no North-South divide as per the Modi government.
Okay.
It's one India, it's one Bharat.